Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a quick look at and of course installing the Proven Grounds Roll and Lock Soft Tonneau Cover available for your 19 and newer Ram 1500 without the Ram box. Now this one here is on our 19 short bed, but it's also available for different trim levels of your truck as well. Just check it out on the site. You should be checking this out if you're looking for a very traditional, very basic, soft roll-up style tonneau cover, one that's going to protect your cargo from all of the weather elements while also doing so in an easy-to-use manner. Now, roll-up style tonneau covers are, again, a lot more traditional, they're very basic, they're usually a lot more affordable than some of the other options out there. This guy uses a soft, high-quality matte black vinyl top with aluminum support slats, 3 to be exact, across the bed itself. That way it can support some added weight on top. Now, of course, the downside with a soft cover like this one is that it can be knifed into, so if you're worried heavily about theft, you might want to check out some of the hard options out there. There are hard roll, there's hard trifold, a number of other options to fit that bill. This one specifically focuses on price being reduced, while also giving you an easy to use and secure option. Now this does lock with your tailgate shut, so you can't actually open this guy without dropping your tailgate. So if you're not in the truck and it's locked, you don't have to worry about it being opened up. As far as using this guy, when you do drop your tailgate, there's a pull cord right there that unlocks both sides, flips the front up, and allows you to just roll it back. Some very basic options make you go on both sides of the truck to unsnap each side and then start rolling, which can be a little bit of an extra pain in the butt. This one does use weather stripping on the sides as well as on top of the tailgate and the bulkhead to make sure that none of the weather elements can get in. And I will say there is a little bit of extra work with that. If you're looking to close it completely and seal it up, you have to kind of tuck in the weather stripping on both sides if you're looking to completely seal it. Now the price for this guy comes in right around 250 bucks, and again, not all the bells and whistles as some of the more premium options, but it is pretty affordable. The install gets 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Anybody can tackle this in the driveway at home with about 30 minutes from start to finish. It's extremely simple. The only tool you need is an Allen key, which is included in the kit for you. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process. I'm gonna use a 3/16 hex socket instead of the Allen key. Just makes life a little bit easier and a little quicker. What do you say we get started? Tools used in this install include an impact gun and a 3/16 hex socket, but the Allen key is also included in the kit. Step number 1, you're gonna grab your side bed rail for the driver's side and you're gonna lay it right up top here. This silver piece is gonna be toward your tailgate, and you want it to line up flush with this little gap here between the tailgate and the side of your factory bed rail. All right, next up, find the notches in the side bed rail. So you're gonna go to the side of that and clamp it down to the factory bed. Use the clamps included in the kit, hook it underneath. Bring your bed rail forward to sit into the little notch in the clamp. Grab your 3/16 hex socket or the Allen key included in the kit and tighten this down. All right, you just want to make sure the foam padding there is sitting up against the plastic. All right, do the same thing for the middle. All right, and then finally again toward your bulkhead. Repeat on the other side. All right, so now we can take a rolled up tonneau cover right out of the box and lay it right across our bulkhead there. Now you'll see on the end that there's this little plastic knob with a thumb screw. That's gonna slip right into the slot in this bed rail. All right, once you have it in there, you can tighten up that thumb screw. All right, so next we can take our support rails and we're gonna insert those into the notches in the bed rails. just like that. Do that for all three.
All right, so at this point you can unsnap the tonneau cover and unroll it. When you get back to the end here, hook it into the latches and snap it shut. All right, now when it comes to opening your tonneau cover, you're just gonna drop your tailgate because it is locked when the tailgate is shut. This pull cord here is attached to a cord that unlocks it on both sides, just like that. And now you can hop over to one side and roll it up. When you get all the way back to the end, there are snaps to keep it closed so you can drive with it open. Do that on both sides. All right, so when it comes time to closing the tonneau cover, just unsnap it on both sides and we'll roll it out. Make sure those latches are lined up. Snap it shut, shut your tailgate. Now, if you're gonna keep your tonneau cover closed and you want it to be waterproof sealed, there's this weather stripping on the side here. You wanna tuck that into the strip or this little slot in your bed rail. Now, it just adds a little bit of extra work. But you just do that and it snaps. You'll feel it kind of clip in or snap into place all along the sides. That way you know no weather can get in. Back here, it gets a little bit tighter. And do that on the other side. That's gonna wrap up my review and install for the Proven Grounds Roll and Lock tonneau cover, available for the 19 and newer Ram 1500, available for all trims of your bed. You can get it for your truck right here at AmericanTrucks.com.